What's up, guys? Yeah, there are Tennessee and Tampa. Tennessee and Tampa are available. What's up, Scott? Living the dream. I hear you. Bo Jackson, Charles Woodson color. Bo Jackson, Charles Woodson color. What's going on, everybody? Drop a line in the chat if you want to say what teams you got tonight. Tampa and Tennessee are available. As of now, those two have not paid as of now. Anybody wants them? So we have a 10 mega box break. We'll get started in like 5 minutes. We'll let more people join in here. These have the green pulsars in them. There's also silver. It says on the box there's 2 green pulsars in every box, but it's more like 4. I don't know why they put 2 because it's usually like 4 or 5. And then hopefully I have hit 2 of these already in other breaks, but black and red checkerboard. Those are super, super rare case hits. I don't even know if it's a case hit. It might be even more rare than that, but so hopefully we can get on some of that as well. Other than that, yeah, let's get some color and some nice silvers. Anybody doing something crazy this weekend? Father's Day? Anything for Father's Day? Just being left alone, probably. Oh, nice. Where was the card show at? Comic-Con tomorrow? Gotcha. All right. You guys ready? I've done a ton of these Prizm breaks already since Wednesday. I think this might be my 10th one already. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is my 9th one. I am doing a 20 hanger at 9 o'clock tonight as well. Those listings are still up on eBay. After this break's done, they'll still be up for another like 20 minutes before they start ending. So if you guys do win some teams in that 20 hanger tonight, shoot me a message and I can combine shipping for the 2 breaks. Also of note, tomorrow night I'm doing a 20 hanger. I'm also doing a 5 cello box break. That's on eBay tomorrow night. And pretty much starting tonight for like the next 6 nights, I will be doing a 20 hanger box break every night. And also I'm putting feelers out there for a 10 cello box break. That would be Instagram followers only. So I have those prices up on my Instagram page. Take a look if you guys are interested. I think the prices are pretty fair. So take a look at the prices on that page if you guys are interested in any teams for a 10 cello box break. That's going to be a huge one. There's still quite a few teams available in that one. I think like 10 of them are taken, so there's still around 20-ish teams available. 22. So yeah, if you guys would be interested in that, DM me on here and we can get to it. Yeah, division break. We'll see about that. Maybe all the product I have on hand, I have up on eBay right now. So if I end up getting more product, maybe I'll do a division break. Yeah. All right, let's get to it. Let's get to it. Let me do one last thing here, and then we'll get started. All right. I'm all caught up on my breaks. I package them all right away for shipping. So I will get this shipped out. Well, I'll get it packaged up and then shipped out Monday morning to the post office. Or post office isn't open tomorrow, so Monday morning it will be there. All right, here we go. We got a 10 mega box break. Like I said, we have the green Prizm pulsars. We have some silvers. And if we're lucky, a red and black checkered. All right, good luck, everybody. I'll open up half a box at a time. Yeah. Yeah, I got it. I dropped it off at the post office around noon today. There's memorabilias in each one. Jersey patch card. I've hit some nice jersey patch cards. Some Zach Wilsons, Trey Lance, Najee Harris, Jamar Chase. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Starting off the night with an Amari Cooper, Jimmy G, Jabril Cox. We have a Bengals silver. It's not a Jamar Chase, but it has the chance to be a Burrow, hopefully, maybe. It is indeed. That's centered all the way around. Nice start for the Bengals, getting a silver second-year Burrow card. There is a scratch right there across. That might be on the field and not the card. Yeah, it's hard to tell if it's the card or the field. Derek Carr, Chuba. We have our first jersey patch. Elijah Moore going to the Jets. We have a silver Mims. Brady getting a base card. Javon Curse, Felton. There's a Kellen Mond emergent. Curtis Samuel. Pat Tillman base card. Dennis, I know you want that in color. Kwity Paye. Ojulari getting a green pulsar for the Giants. Hayden Hurst, Jamal Adams. Ambry Thomas for the Niners. And a green Okuda. So I will do a review at the end of all colored hits and then any other big hits we get as well. All the jersey patches, I'll do a review of at the end. Obviously the replay will get put up on this page right after the break is done. All right, second half of the first box. We got a Sam Darnold, Blacklock, Gregor So. Ooh, we got a Niners, non-rookie. Mostert, getting a green. A.J. Dillon, Cam Newton, Jamin Davis, Jamal Williams getting a silver. Drew Sample, George Kittle, Mari Rogers. If you guys have been in any Prizm breaks, you know that every opposite card is upside down. It's crazy. Mari Rogers, we got an Owa green pulsar for the Ravens. Thurman Thomas, Will Fuller, Terrace Marshall. There's a Herbie Fireworks. Larry Johnson, Byron Jones, Kyle Trask, and a green C-Mac. Yeah, it's hard to get a good rhythm of the breaks when every other card's upside down. When it starts annoying me, I just rifle through them anyway. Guys joining late, we are just finished box 1. Tampa is not sold. I was going to leave it for the guy that originally bought it. It's still sitting on eBay, not sold. So if you want it, you can have it. We're one box in, and we've pulled a base Tom Brady so far. $50 if you want it. $50. Here, while he makes a decision, I'll just open up all these. Okay. All right, box 2. Got a T. Higgins, Debo. What's up, Dennis? Javonte Williams getting a base card. Silver Andy Dalton, LT, Devontae Parker, Noah Gray, Sam Darnold, Devontae Adams, Roundtree, Tylan Wallace getting the jersey patch in the second box. Yeah, there's no numbered. Corey Davis getting a silver. Dante Fowler, Wilkins. There's a Devontae Smith base card. Najee getting a Fireworks. Allaire, Nook, and a Bolton. Yeah, not the Soothers, not. There are blue and reds, though, that are out there that are super, super rare. So Bateman for the Ravens getting a pulsar. Austin Hooper, Vince Young, Kellen Mond base. Darius Leonard. Jared Goff, Van Jefferson. Why is there a backwards Zach Wilson? That had me excited for a second. Zach Wilson getting a base. Michael Gallup with a silver. Jeremy Chin, Jonathan Taylor, Marquez Stevenson. Jamie Collins, we got a Juju, Zach Cunningham, PS2 base. Sam Ellinger getting a green pulsar. Von Miller, Isaiah Simmons, Nwangwu, and another Devontae Smith emergent this time. 2 down. I did a 20 blaster full case break last night. Did not pull a single Trey Lance, Justin Fields, or Mac Jones. And in the last box, we didn't have any Trevor Lawrence until the last box, and then we pulled a orange laser Trevor Lawrence, but that was crazy. All right, Adam Thielen, George Kittle, Kwity Paye, Kyle Pitts getting a fireworks, Joe Mixon, Cam Newton, Seth Williams, Marshall Faulk getting a pulsar, Judy, Jamal Adams, there's a Kenneth Gainwell, and a silver DeMarcus Lawrence for the Cowboys, Michael Vick, Will Fuller, Khalil Herbert, Jonathan Abram getting a color, Gaither, Byron Jones, Greg Rousseau, and we have a rookie Bengals. All right. Green Pulsar, Jamar Chase. Let's go. Bengals got a silver Burrow and now a green Pulsar Jamar Chase already. Nice hit. That also looks centered all the way around. All right. Last of box 3, Melvin Gordon, Tyler Higbee, Jay Tufele, Marlon Humphrey, Eric Metcalf, Darius Leonard, Kelvin Joseph, and a silver Kenyon Drake. Barry Sanders, another Rashad Bateman base card. There we go. There's a jersey patch, Trevor Lawrence. Green Pulsar, nice hit for the Jags. Trevor Lawrence on the board. T.Y. getting a silver. Amos, Blacklock, Tylan Wallace, Kylan Hill, green, rookie for the Packers. Gage, another Pat Tillman, Sam Ellinger, and a DK. So, yep, like I said, I'm doing a 20 hanger later tonight as well. If you win teams in that one, I will combine shipping. So, send me a message. I'll do an updated invoice if you win teams later tonight. All right, wow, we got 4 greens in this one. Jordan Lewis, Drew Bledsoe, Smith Marset, AJ Green, Gritna Green, Woodson base, Mosley, Trey Nixon, Lamar getting a silver. I'm not hitting the rookies in silver. Traquan Smith, Schobert, Josh Palmer, and a Antonio Gates. James Harrison, Bud Dupree. There's a Tony. I barely ever pull Tony. Can we get a Davis Mills in the house? Nope. Brevin Jordan getting a green. Danielle Hunter, Chris Carson, Patrick Jones, and a Anthony Schwartz getting a green. Well, we hit that Jamar Chase green, and we've hit a Bateman green. I guess those are the 2 best greens we've hit so far. Travis Fulgham, Jack Youngblood, Tommy Tremble, C-Mac. Akuda, Charles Haley. There's another Zach Wilson base card. And a green Dak. McCaffrey, Quentin Nelson, Felipe Franks. Got a Silver Jets. There we go. Let's go. Silver Zach Wilson. Dennis, man. You haven't picked the right breaks lately for the Jets. That was a beautiful looking card right there. Nice silver. Curtis Samuel, Deo. The jersey patch in this one is Kyle Trask. Isaiah Simmons, Brian Sipe, J.J. Watt, Ojulari, T. Higgins hype. Yeah, Zach Wilson already has 2 base and that silver already. Trevor Lawrence has a jersey patch. No Mac Jones, no Justin Fields, no Mac Jones, Lance, or Fields. Zach Wilson, big winner of the night. Jamar Chase doing well. Bengals doing well, I should say. Let's hit a red, white, and blue. Or is that it right there? Is there one? No, I think it's a reporter card. I bet you are happy. All right, box 5. Stephon Diggs, Derrick Henry, Ambry Thomas, Gross Matos, Drew Sample, Fred Warner, Mari Rogers, DJ Moore getting a silver. There's a base Herbie. Kyle Trask getting another base card. Rondale Moore getting the jersey patch for the Cardinals. There you go, Dennis. Quinn Williams with a very off-centered up and down. It's about the worst I've seen. Amari Cooper, Tony Vaselli, Jabril Cox, Allaire, Danielle Hunter, Kyler, Chuba, and Kelvin Joseph, which I think he's on trial or arrested for like murder, isn't he? Kelvin Joseph, something like that. Accomplice to a murder? I don't know. I saw he was in trouble last year. Oh. It's magic. All right, we got a base Brady. Myles Gaskin, Demetric Felton. All right, we got a Niners green. Come on. Nope, non-rookie. John Taylor. Base Chuck, Tyler Lockett, Jacob Harris. All right, we got a silver. Oh, that's a black mark. It better not be a really good. I thought it was going to be a Mac Jones, I was going to say. It still sucks for the PS2. What is that up there? Oh, I guess that comes off, but I don't know. PS2 getting a silver. Darius Slayton, Damian Harris, Chris Evans, Hawkinson, Fulgham, Peyton Manning, Jalen Phillips. There's a Trey Lance new recruits. Dobbins, Crowder, Eric Stokes, and a Ravens rookie. Another Rashad Bateman. All right, first half complete. I would say Jets are winning tonight. Bengals in second, probably. All right, so I got 5 to go. What we got for memorabilia so far? We got Trevor Lawrence, Tylan Wallace, Rondale Moore, Elijah Moore, and Kyle Trask. Black and red checkerboard. That's like the huge hit. Super rare. And there's a lot of silvers. Silvers go for a lot of money in Prizm. Joe Theismann, P. Ryan, Kwity Paye, TJ Watt, Jerome Bettis, Josh Allen, Greg Rousseau, Devin Singletary getting a silver, Jamie Collins, Jamin Davis, another Tylan Wallace, Aguilar with the silver, Sam Darnold, Jalen Ramsey, Ambry Thomas, Kyler with the brilliance, Jared Cook, Michael Pittman, Ian Book. Ooh, rookie, Bears. Let's go. Fields getting the green. Yeah, the black and red checker are super rare. I have pulled 2 in 12 megas I did before tonight in breaks. Pulled a James Harrison and a Jamison Crowder. Not big ones, but yeah, those are rare. Even like Jamison Crowder, I think, is listed for like $100. So if you can hit a bigger rookie, look out. Nice Fields. We got Fields and Zach Wilson on the green. And Jamar Chase. No, wait, no, we don't have a Zach Wilson. We have a Zach Wilson silver. Sorry about that. Jamar Chase and Fields are the big greens. All right, we got 3 more greens in this one. Let's hope there's some. Dalvin Cook, Jordan Atkins, base, Tylan Wallace, Jalen Smith, Marcus May, Seth Williams, Chris Jones, Andy Dalton, Van Noy, Kenneth Gainwell. There's a Fields Emergent, Michael Thomas, Brandon Cooks, Khalil Herbert, J.O.K. getting a green, Calais Campbell, James Conner, Sam Ellinger. There's a Cooper Kupp green. Man, I'm on a Mac Jones cold streak. Didn't pull a single one in a 20 blaster. Didn't pull one in either one of my cello box breaks I did last night. So it's been 2 cello boxes, 20 hangers, and 2 cello boxes, 20 blasters, and now 6 megas without a Mac Jones. We're due. All right, Jake Plummer, Cam Newton, Gary Brightwell. Got a Chief Silver. Would it be a Mahomes? Come on. Nope. Sneed. That was a Winfield, Jamal Adams. There's a Fields base. Man, Fields is on fire now. And an Irv Smith. Aaron Rodgers, Will Fuller, J.O.K. And a Najee Harris, new recruits. T.J. Watt, George Kittle, Tutu. Amari Rodgers getting a green. David Montgomery, A.J. Brown, Nwangwu, Fletcher Cox. Fields went from nothing to 3 in a box and a half. Once the Target Megas come out, I don't know if they are out yet, but they have been shipped yet, but those ones at least have a chance for autos. Derek Barnett, Tyler Higbee. PS2, Brevin Jordan, silver. Sean Taylor, Quinn Miners, another Trevor Lawrence. Is that the same or is that different? What was the first one we got? It's the same. 2 jersey patch, Trevor Lawrence for you now. Pittman with the silver. Mark Andrews, Darius Leonard, Anthony Schwartz, Jerry Jeudy Hype, Brockers, Pat Tillman, Brevin Jordan. Ambry Thomas with the green. Dak, Blacklock, Etienne, Van Noy. Yep. Yeah, I knew it wasn't a rookie. I think there's 2 rookies in every box, I believe. So that sounds right to me. I think we'd already pulled the 2. All right. Box 8. Travis Fulgham, AJ Brown, Tylan Wallace, James Harrison, Jalen Smith, Corey Davis, Kelvin Joseph, Travis Fulgham, Akuda, Kenneth Gainwell, another Rondale Moore. We're getting dupes. Trevor Lawrence, Rondale Moore, and Tylan Wallace. Xavier Rhodes with the silver. Jerome Bettis, Higbee, Seth Williams. We have a Pittsburgh silver. It is a rookie, so I think it's either going to be a Najee or a Freiermuth. Freiermuth, it is. Freiermuth with the silver. Denzel Ward, Darius Leonard, Khalil Herbert. Finally a Mac Jones, new recruits. Well, at least everybody's on the board. Trey Lance and Mac Jones just have inserts. Trevor Lawrence has 2 jerseys. Obviously, Fields and Zach Wilson are doing well. Dennis, we got to get you a colored Pat Tillman. Yep. Yeah, last night we were getting a lot of duplicates. Felt like. All right. There's 3 greens and 1 silver in this one. Herbie, David Carr, Sante Samuel. Another one. Oh, no, it's the first one of the green. Man, Zach Wilson, have a night. Now you're getting a green pulsar. Calais Campbell, Jonnu Smith, Tyson Campbell, Kyle Juszczyk. Woodson, Shark, Bateman, Dobbins, Michael Thomas, Stafford, Ellinger, Deo with a green, Daniil Hunter, Rock Ya, Tefeli, Matt Ryan silver. So Dennis, if I don't do the 10 cello box break, I'll still be doing 10 cello box breaks like total throughout next week. So you can still have the Jets and the Cardinals if you want in all those breaks. They'll just be split up into 2 3s and 2 2s if I don't end up doing a 10. You're in on the solo, nice. Eric, what team do you want for the cello? Jets are already taken for that one. That's who you wanted. I'm not even sure I'm going to do it yet. If it doesn't fill. Nope, Raiders are taken as well. Man, you guys are asking for the teams that have been taken. There's literally like 9 teams that have been taken. There's like 23 open teams. I'll put a updated post later tonight of the teams that are still available. Josh Jacobs, Mostert, Skoranek, Traquan Smith, Rojo, Sean Alexander, Corny Powell, Silver Sorensen, Stephon Diggs, Jared Dokes, Kene Nwangu getting the jersey in box 9, James White with a silver, Kenny Galladay, Gesicki, Peyton Turner, and a Saquon. Man, there was nothing in that. No silver rookies, no green rookies in that one. Did I? Oh, I didn't open up all of them. I only opened up 4. Oh, we still got 6 to go. I was wondering why we didn't hit any rookie in color on that one. Yeah, like Dennis, you would have the Cardinals and Jets. Raiders are taken. I think the Chargers are taken. Giants are taken. I'm assuming the Texans would be taken by a guy that always buys the Texans. Niners are probably taken by a guy that always gets the Niners. I'm missing a few, but yeah. Dolphins are taken in another one. All right, so we have 4 green in this one, and looks like only 1 silver. Should be a rookie, because I don't think we had a rookie in the first half. Rashawn Gary, Xavier Rhodes, Jamar Jefferson. There's a Tony. Right side. Mims. There's a Waddle finally. Fursker. Dante Hall. Marvin Jones. Trevon Morig. It's going to be a rookie Chargers. Rashawn Slater. Silver. There's a Base Burrow. Cam Akers. Monty Rice. Hey, there's Woodson in color for you. Andre Reed. Fursker. Shane Bichelle. Tony getting an emergent now. Koo. Uchek. Ian Book. And a Felipe Franks. Who? Yeah. Felipe Franks. He's gonna watch Mariota go down, and he ends up starting this year and tears it up. I think he was on the Miami Hurricanes in college, right? I think that sounds right. Maybe not his last year. Did I have that card over here? Arkansas. It says 2020. I think he transferred, though, because I'm pretty sure he was on Miami. All right, last box. We'll do pack at a time here. Another base Herbie. Mostert. There's a Najee base. Oh, Gators. Okay. And a Caleb Farley. Why did I think he was Miami? I guess Florida. Right state, wrong college. Oh, yeah, now I remember. That's right. There was a big thing that he was transferring in conference. That's right. Brian Sipe, Stafford, Josh Palmer, Devontae Smith emergent. Last jersey coming up. Curtis Samuel. Trey Nixon. Silver Edmonds. And ETN getting a jersey patch. Jags ended up with 3 of the jersey patches. Are we doing 100 hangers soon? I got to fill this 10 cello first. That's kind of my focus before we worry about the hangers. C-Mac, DJ Shark, Smith Marset, Fitzmagic. But yeah, I'll do one. Akuda, Corey Davis, Patrick Jones, Jesse Bates. Usually there's always something good in the last box that I do. We'll see. James Harrison, Rakia, Joe Tryon, Jalen Darden getting a green for the Tampa Bucks. Travis Fulgham, Jonnu, Dwayne Eskridge getting a card that's messed up at the top, and Najee Fireworks. Traquan Smith, David Carr, Christian Barmore, Dawson Knox. Thought that was going to be a Josh Allen. Sorry, Scott. Danielle Hunter. Mike Gesicki. There's a Trey Lance. All right, we got the color for Mac Jones. Nope. Cowboys. Kelvin Joseph, of course. And last pack. Jordan Lewis, Sean Alexander, Elijah Mitchell, and a Leonard Floyd ends the night. All right, review time. We had the silver Kelvin Joseph at the end there. Najee getting a Fireworks. Green Jalen Darden. Emergent Devonta Smith. Green Farley. Green Franks. Silver Rashawn Slater. Tony Emergent. Deo getting a green. Brevin Jordan with a silver. Ambry Thomas green. Najee new recruits. Amari Rogers getting a green. JOK green. Kelvin Joseph green. Silver Lamar. Brevin Jordan green. Anthony Schwartz green. Fireworks Kyle Pitts. Ellinger getting a green. Devontae Smith Emergent. Javonte Williams base. Devontae Smith base. Najee Fireworks. Owa green. Ojolari green. We got the 10 jersey cards. We had an ETN. Kenny Nwanwu. Rondale Moore. Trevor Lawrence got 1 of 2. Tylan Wallace. Rondale Moore. Kyle Trask. Trevor Lawrence. Tylan Wallace. And Elijah Moore. You did get some bills in color, not rookies though. All right, Trey Lance got a base. Najee got a base. Tony got a green. Waddle with a base. Zach Wilson got a green. New recruits Mac Jones. Silver Frymouth. Fields got a base. Fields got an emergent. And Fields got a green. All right in a row. PS2 with a silver. Trey Lance with a new recruits. Bateman with a green. Zach Wilson base. Zach Wilson silver. Jamar Chase with a green. Bateman with a green. Wilson base. Herbie Fireworks. And a Burrow silver. All right. That does it for the 10 mega. All right, I'm going to put the replay up right now on this page. Like I said, I am doing a 20 hanger later tonight. If you guys do win teams in that, I will combine shipping. Other than that, I appreciate you guys. Thanks all for joining. And I hope to see you back later tonight. And for my breaks, I'm doing all tomorrow night and all throughout next week. Appreciate you guys. Have a good one and see you later.